The Web3 space moves fast, so fast that it's tough to keep up with the development tooling landscape. That's why I'm here to bring you the top tools to launch a successful Web3 game in 2024. What's up, guys? I'm Carl DiClemente, head of DevRel at QuickNode. If you're looking to join the Web3 gaming goats like Axie Infinity, Matrix, and Sweat, you're going to need the latest and greatest in Web3 developer tooling. Today, I'm going to walk you through the top tools and one-stop shops where you can meet most of your needs. We'll look at Web3 gaming as a service platforms, blockchains, tokenization in marketplaces, wallets, vendor-agnostic Web3 libraries, payments, leaderboards and tournaments, and awareness and distribution tools. Let's get into it. All the content I'll be showing you today is available in written form on the new QuickNode Builder's Guide, where we go into detail about the strategies and considerations for launching a successful Web3 game. You can find the link in the description. Before we get started, drop a like on this video and subscribe to our channel. It goes a long way to helping us justify making this content for you. The most important aspect of your Web3 game will always be creating an engaging experience for your players. For that reason, you should be focusing more so on the game part and less on the Web3 part. This is why we suggest using an off-the-shelf Web3 gaming as a service platform. These platforms are designed to cover almost all of your needs out of the box, from marketplaces to payments, tokenization, wallets, and more. The key factors that are going to drive your decisions here are: do they support the chain you plan to build on? Do they have an SDK for the programming language or framework your game is implemented in? And does this platform offer all of the tools you need? For example, if you're looking to build on Sui and are building in Unity, you'll focus on testing Mirror World. It's possible that you're looking for something more flexible than these full service offerings, and you'll need to piece together your own solution instead. Let's review your options for doing so. One of the biggest drivers of which tools you will select will be the blockchain you plan to use. For gaming, we suggest high throughput chains allowing you to send a lot of transactions at low cost. If you're looking for the best tooling support, you'll want to focus on chains that are compatible with Ethereum's virtual machine. Leading EVM compatible chains for gaming include Immutable ZK EVM, Polygon Proof of Stake, and Avalanche. If throughput and low transaction fees are your top priority, then options like Solana, Aptos, and Sui are your top contenders. When launching a Web3 game, one of your most important decisions is going to be what assets you plan to tokenize. This is the crux of the Web3 experience within your game. It defines what you plan to give your players true ownership of. When selecting your tooling provider for tokenization, we suggest to pick from those that focus on the gaming use case. These providers are most likely to support your gaming-focused features, like loot boxes, batch minting, and distribution to users. Useful callouts include cross-mint scalability, Immutable's no-fee minting, and ChainSafe's loot box support. The value of ownership doesn't stop at minting the assets. You also need to provide your users a place to be able to buy and sell them. We suggest offering a custom in-app marketplace so that users can complete actions directly within your platform and you can enforce royalties as a revenue source. Several providers support this feature. You'll want to filter this down based on chain support. An additional callout is Immutable's order book feature, which allows you to embed a marketplace, but also make the assets tradable across other marketplaces, increasing the liquidity of your in-game assets. The wallet architecture you choose is a key factor in the UX of your game. You can allow users to bring their own wallet through a wallet connector, embed a wallet in your application to make the experience as seamless as possible, or use cutting-edge blockchain programmable wallet technologies. To ensure the security of your customers' assets and provide the most seamless gaming experience, we suggest selecting a non-custodial embedded wallet, such as those from Sequence, GameShift, or Immutable. If your target audience is Web3 native users, then programmable wallets, a form of account abstraction from Crossmint or Sequence, may be better options. All Web3 games need to read and write from the blockchain. If your selected tooling providers don't have their own SDK, consider vendor-agnostic solutions. A popular gaming option is ChainSafe's Unity library, while general libraries can also suffice, such as the popular VM or Ethers.js. If you want your users to spend US dollars or other forms of fiat currency on your platform, you'll want to make this as easy as possible for them. For the best user experience, you want this feature deeply integrated into your in-app marketplaces. We like Crossmint and Immutable's checkout options for their robust payment method support and customization options. It's safe to say a game wouldn't be a game without some degree of gamification. One of the benefits of having your assets on-chain is that you don't need to store leaderboard data in your own database. Instead, you can pull it right off the blockchain. Both Soar by Magic Block and Fractal offer solutions here. If you're looking to have off-platform contests with crypto rewards drive additional users to your game, consider working with a platform like GamerGains. Lastly, but definitely not least, you'll want to find creative ways to get your game in front of as many players as possible. Both Fractal and Stardust offer solutions to help drive acquisition. Of course, if your game is a mobile offering and built on the Solana blockchain, distributing it through the Solana dApp Store is a given. Did we miss any of your favorite tools? Question about anything we shared? Let us know in the comments below. Happy building.